salmon sperm facial with salmon sperm injected into my face.
Salmon sperm, salmon DNA, PDRN booster, whatever name you've heard, just know it's amazing for anti-aging and it gives your skin that dewy, juicy glow. Yes, it is made from salmon sperm. The benefits are it boosts collagen, helps heal damage, and reduces inflammation. We've been using it in the beauty world for at least 15 years, but it's finally gone viral last year, 2024, thanks to the celebrities like Kim K, Sandra Bullock spilling the secret. So what's the difference between salmon DNA and gold salmon DNA? Gold salmon DNA has tiny gold particles mixed in there, and it's more for calming down the skin, giving you the more radiant look. But here's the thing, those gold fragments, you wouldn't want to microneedle gold into your skin. So that should just be used on top of the skin, not pushed in. Salmon DNA, also called PDRN in our range, is amazing for healing, anti-aging and collagen. It works deeper to the skin. Salmon DNA, also called PDRN in this range, is amazing for healing, anti-aging and collagen. It can actually help work deeper into the skin and is perfect for microneedling. That's the one that we use when we want to see real results. Just to keep it simple, salmon DNA, microneedle that in, gold salmon DNA, use it on top. You'll sometimes see labels like 50,000 ppm or 10,000 ppm on salmon DNA products. So what does that mean? ppm just tells you how much actual salmon DNA is inside the product. So you've got some brands that have 10,000 ppm, which means there's 1% concentration. But then there's 50,000 ppm like this one, and that has 5% concentration. In the Lysodome salmon DNA, there's two types. One that has pure liquid in there, and one that has liquid in there, and it has the freeze-dried powder. This one would be the strongest one to use on the skin because it has a higher concentration of salmon DNA in there. So basically what happens is you pour this in there. The only thing is that this only lasts at least 10 to 14 days. So this can actually last up to 5 to 6 clients. It is a thicker substance once you actually mix them in and microneedle it. It's really good. It's got the best results for microneedling. So this is the #1 salmon DNA that we do microneedle. The other version has 4 of these. I'm not sure if they're going to change the packaging into 2, but at the moment they have 4. This salmon DNA is a thicker consistency than this one, and it's creamier and it's white. It's a white substance. The thing with this one is that you could do microneedling with this, yes, on a superficial level, but you wouldn't go as deep as you would with this one if you are trained in microneedling. So this one does help. A lot of people have great feedback with it. Also, you can actually upsell this to your client if they want to use this at home. It is safer to use and it's better to use if they wanted to use that every day on their face. If you've heard of mesotox, or if you're a nurse or a doctor, this is what you'd be using into the skin. You could work this on a deeper level. Yes, it's good for microneedling as well, and it's good to go with recommended that you've actually been trained to. Again, if you've just done microneedling, this would be the best version to use, but this is also good if you wanted to go deeper. And I'm a little bit hesitant to go into this because it's a little bit like Rejuven, and most of our students have just done microneedling. You can definitely microneedle with this, that is totally fine. But if you are actually trained in mesotox or boosters, or if you're a nurse or a doctor, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When you have Rejuven, this is another version of it. We have a salmon sperm mask, which is the PDRN Lysodome biocellulose mask. This is so good after microneedling. It will calm down the redness. It's a thicker consistency than the usual. Basically, it gives your skin a dewy skin. It's really good for repairing the skin. If your skin is red after anything like chemical peels, microneedling, anything invasive, and you put this on your skin to cool down the skin, this is gorgeous to use. And in our microneedling course, you can see that we've used this on our face and it's very dewy afterwards. So this is also good and safe for LED therapy as well. And this doesn't stay off the shelf. So a lot of people do a salmon sperm facial. For example, they want to cleanse the skin with the PDRN Gold Salmon DNA cleanser. And then they dermaplan and then they microneedle this into the skin. And then they use this mask. And then they use a repair cream, which is the tub 400 grams after this. And then they also apply a PDRN moisturizer afterwards. You're going to get the most dewiest, most glorious face, and it's really good for anti-aging skin. The cleanser at the moment, it is extremely discounted at the moment. It's not going to stay this price. This one is gorgeous on the face. With the cleansing, you actually see your face dewy right afterwards, and it just has this beautiful residue on the face, a nice slip on the face. We recommend you actually massaging the face with this cleanser. It has a bit of a slip and it smells nice, it's refreshing. It has salmon DNA and it's a foaming bubble effect. It's not that foamy, but it is foamy. Salmon DNA moisturizer, what else can you want after this? This one is a nice finishing touch. It's going to repair the skin and it's also going to help the redness of the face for anti-aging. A lot of people with anti-aging skin use this and there's a nice shine and plumpness to the face, and it's going to really help with dry skin. There's a PDRN mist and it is insane. We sometimes pop it in the fridge, and after microneedling or chemical peel, we do at least 5 spritz on the décolletage and on the face, and there is your spritz. We put this on every day, even after makeup, before makeup, and it just holds everything. It's like a primer. Why wouldn't you want salmon sperm spray on your face? You'll see other salmon DNA products. They have a lower concentration, and this is the reason why these other ones are going a little bit cray-cray. Thank you for sticking with us. The next thing that we're going to talk about in our products is lipoexosomes. We will discuss that in very detailed videos because I think lipoexosomes is pretty much standard now in the new K-beauty, and we have very active ingredients with these. And it's got human stem cells. There's a lot of things changing in Korea with human stem cells, and the prices are going up because it will be rare to get. So if you see anything with human stem cell, please try and bulk up because those prices are going up because they're going to be hard to get in the future. Heads up, this is May 2025 and I'm reporting back to you right now. Woo!